Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste content from Microsoft Copilot directly into a Word document. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, head over to Microsoft Copilot where you'll see your conversation history with the AI. This is where all your previous chats and responses are stored, making it easy to find exactly what you need to transfer to your document. Once you're viewing your conversation, take a moment to locate the specific response you want to copy. Simply highlight the text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. This allows you to select just the portion you need, whether that's a single sentence or an entire paragraph. After highlighting your desired text, right-click on the selected area. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Copy. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to achieve the same result. Both methods work perfectly fine, so use whichever feels more comfortable for you. Now that you've copied the text from Copilot, navigate to your Word document where you want to insert this content. Click on the exact spot in your document where you'd like the text to appear. This ensures the content lands precisely where you intend it to be. Once you've positioned your cursor, right-click in that location. When you do this, you'll see a section labeled Paste Options appear. This feature is particularly useful because it gives you control over how the pasted content will look in your document. You'll notice several formatting choices displayed as small icons. Click on the middle option, which is Merge Formatting. This option is ideal because it takes the copied text and adapts it to match your current document's style and formatting. This means the pasted content will blend seamlessly with the rest of your document, maintaining consistency in font, size, and overall appearance without bringing over any unwanted formatting from Copilot. And that's it. You've successfully transferred content from Microsoft Copilot into your Word document while keeping everything looking clean and professional. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.